Hi, in the previous lecture, we saw how to accept primitive type values from the user. In this lecture, we will see how to accept a string from the user. Let's create another class in the same package. Right-click on Package, New, Class. Package field is already populated with package name. Type class name. Use scanner to. Select the checkbox next to main method and click on Finish button. We have used scanner2.java file under com.util.input package. Remove the to-do statement. Press Ctrl D. To accept user input, we first need an object of scanner class. Type scanner, control space. Multiple scanner classes are available, but I am interested in scanner class from java.util package. Double click on it and import statement is added automatically. Type name of the reference, scanner equals to new scanner, and within round brackets type system.in and semicolon at the end. We have a scanner object ready. Provide message to the user for what is expected from him. Sysout, control space, double quotes, provide a sentence and I will repeat it. I am trying to accept a string from the user, so to refer it, we need a string reference variable. String str equals to scanner dot list of all the available methods is shown. If for some reason this list is not shown, then press control space. I am interested in next methods. To filter this list, type first few characters of the method name. Any, all the methods starting with any, or the methods containing any in their names are shown. Use the arrow keys to move up or down. I am interested in nextLine method. Press enter. Semicolon at the end. I don't want more inputs from the user. Close the scanner now. Scanner.close. Let's print the value of a string object str is referring to. Sysout, control space, str. Save the file. Run the program. Program is waiting for user input. Type core Java development course for beginners. Press enter and the sentence is repeated in the output. There is no problem in using nextLine method alone, but if it is invoked after other next methods such as nextInt or nextBoolean, then behavior is not as expected. Let us see an example on this. Open useScanner3.java file. In this example, I am accepting two numbers from the user, and after that I am accepting a string. Run this program now. Enter first number 10, press enter. Second number 20, press enter. This program did not wait for the user input and proceeded to show the output. num1 is 10, num2 is 20, and str is blank string in this case. It is not null. Otherwise, null would have printed over here. Before we resolve this issue, let us first find out its root cause. Let us see how nextInt and nextLine method works. Let me expand the working area. Hide Package Explorer. Let me resize the console window. So we have a scanner object and it is linked to keyboard. Let us assign some memory to this scanner object. NextInt method waits for the user input as nothing is there in the scanner object. First time user input is 10\n. As user pressed enter key as well. Let's say new line is represented by \n. NextInt method finds this token or data, 10 in this case, and returns it. But it leaves \n in the scanner object. The cursor is just before \n. Another NextInt method waits for the user input. Second time user input is 20\n. This NextInt method finds this token, 20 in this case, and returns it. All the previous data is ignored as well. Cursor is placed after this number and before \n. This \n is left in the scanner object. Then we are invoking nextLine method. Working of nextLine method is different from nextInt or other next methods. The nextLine method returns data or token between current cursor position and new line character, \n in this case. It then places the cursor after \n. Now as \n is available in the scanner object, nextLine method did not wait for the user input. It returned the value between current cursor position and \n, which is blank in this case. And in the output, value of str was blank. It then places the cursor after \n and \n is ignored as well. So there is nothing left in the scanner object after this call of nextLine method. To resolve this issue, we need to somehow consume this \n and move the cursor after \n. And we can easily achieve this by adding an extra call to nextLine method. After nextInt and before nextLine method, invoke nextLine method again. Scanner.nextLine semicolon. Save the file, run the program, enter first number 10, press enter, enter second number 20, press enter. Now it is asking for the string, provide the string, go Java, press enter, and this time we get expected output. num1 is 10, num2 is 20, and variable str is referring to core Java. Let's see what happens at runtime in this case. So there are no changes till this line. So we have a scanner object which is linked to keyboard. User first enters 10\n. 10 is returned and cursor is placed just before \n. Second time user enters 20\n. 20 is returned. This \n is ignored and cursor is placed over here. Then we have nextLine method. This method returns everything between current cursor position and new line character, which is \n. So this returns blank and places the cursor after \n. This \n is ignored. Then we have another nextLine method invocation, and this time user provides core Java and \n. And according to the working of nextLine method, everything between the current cursor position and \n is returned. This core Java is referred by str. Cursor is placed after \n and this \n is ignored. So whenever you have to use nextLine method after nextInt or nextBoolean or other next methods, always add an extra call to nextLine method. But there is no problem in invoking other next methods after nextLine method, as call to nextLine method places the cursor after \n, whereas call to other next method places the cursor before \n. I'm stopping this lecture here. In the next lecture, we will see how to accept character type value from the user. Till then, happy coding.